The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
It's super obvious already. He is a Russian asset.
You have Trump Tower filled of Russians.
This Kremlin clan, they need this president.
This clear line between Trump and the Kremlin.
He was talking to agents of the Russian government.
We want to get to the bottom of how the Russians undermined our elections.
Russia.
With Russia, there's plenty of evidence of collusion.
We want to get to some breaking news right now.
After 2 years and interviewing more than 200 witnesses, the Senate Intelligence Committee has not uncovered any direct evidence of a conspiracy between the Trump campaign and Russia. That's according to sources on both the Republican and the Democratic side of the aisle.
Unbelievable, isn't it? Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because you're going to be hearing about that all night long. Throughout the night, everything's going to be breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. When is news not breaking? I wish they would just use breaking news when it's really breaking, you know what I mean? But breaking when it's not breaking till it breaks. I don't get it. It just drives me nuts. Anyways, we got a lot to talk about today, but I do want to talk about these Dems, talk about these communist, socialist, liberals. You can't believe a thing they say. Now, you can't believe a thing the Republicans say either. But here's what gets me. For them to come out and lie about collusion, all lies, saying there was evidence and there wasn't no evidence, and I'm not surprised because we know that lying is the cornerstone of Wall Street and the cornerstone of Washington. They share that cornerstone. And even Toothpaste Cortez, she came out and now she is part of Washington. She's starting to lie. She definitely came out and said in her new green plan that, and it was all in writing, and said that she wants to give people money who don't want to work, even the same amount as somebody that does work. I mean, that's how nuts she is. But then she lies and walks it back. And one of the stories was, a Republican put that, gave that to her office, and it was done by a Republican. She picked it up, or some stupid story. It's unbelievable. So she's learning to lie now. She's starting to fit in well with Washington. But here's what really grinds me. First, I want to talk about also about the market. The market, now don't get excited, the market's up 373 points. So if you have some great stocks like we have with big gains, I'm encouraging my gang to take profits, to sell into these. Now, 99% of the people, when they see the market's up 372 points, they will start buying now. Listen to this. Listen, this is the kind of help you don't need. Listen to this.
Get through the next hour. Hey, Charles.
Neil, I am so excited. We have the music pumping in here.
I'm so excited. We have the music pumping in here. He's going to make a decision on stocks based on emotion. As a chartist, that's the beautiful thing about charting. There's no emotion with charting. It's just numbers. There's no emotion. So let's finish this up. Listen to him.
Get through the next hour. Hey, Charles.
Neil, I am so excited. We have the music pumping in here. We're ready to go because we are breaking some major resistance points right now, and this could just be the beginning of the next major leg higher, my friend. So what do you make of this rally? Has it stalled, and will it go sideways, or is it vulnerable now?
So he's still confused.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, he is. He's confused. So let's take a look at this rally. You don't ever look at the numbers. I always tell my gang members, my members, do not look at the numbers. Meaning, don't look at the bug on TV where it says, if you go to CNBC or Fox or Bloomberg's, it says the market's up 368 points. That's behind you. That's history. That's emotion. They want you to see that. They want you to get emotional. What we're going to look at is the banks right now. So I'm going to go on my chart, and you can join me. If you have a mobile device, just go to philsgang.com and come to my site and click on the radio show. And let's put up SPY. Let's put up the banks right now, because the banks lead the market. And guess what? The banks are yet above its 200-day moving average. It can't even get above a resistance area of 26.23. So he said, listen what he said about resistance. He's so excited. He's so excited about breaking resistance. Listen.
Through the next hour. Hey, Charles.
Neil, I am so excited. We have the music pumping in here. We're ready to go because we are breaking some major resistance points.
No, they didn't break any major resistance points. Remember, you got the 100-day moving average. Yes, he just broke above it, but it's hit that same area 2 other times. It's got to break above its 200-day moving average. And we still see, when this market dropped 20%, we have many more investors selling than buying this market on the way up. This is called the sucker's rally. Now, yes, we're making money. My gang's making money. We're up right now. Netflix, 17%. We're up 11% with Hess. Bank of America, 16%. XLF, 8%. Nike, 10%. I can go on and on and on. So I don't sit back and say, oh, look at this. It's a fake rally. It's a dangerous rally. I better sit in the sideline here because it's all fake and stock buyback. Of course not. We're chartists. First thing you learn in the morning, when the market opens up, you lose your opinion so you don't lose money. Make sure you always take care. When you get buy signals, we take those buy signals. But we also protect ourselves. Do we make sure each stock we buy is like its own business. It's its own profit center. You treat it like a business, each stock. And you make sure when you buy that stock that you know exactly what your reward is going to be. So you'll say, okay, I will risk losing 3% to make 10%. I'll risk losing 4% to make 15%. You always have that safety net in there so you know exactly what your risk is. You never invest in a stock unless you know the risk to reward. So the big problem for the market right now is volume. It means there's not enough energy. The last time this was happening, I kept telling you, listen, this market's going to correct. And in October 5th, it corrected because the same thing happened. When it went up, it kept going up and up, the banks did not participate. It's the same thing that's happening now. We also have a market that is full of stock buybacks. They're right back to doing the same thing, stock buybacks. And these stock buybacks is the most dangerous thing that's facing our economy and our financial system. Because these buybacks have no value for our workers in these companies. They don't get any raises. They don't get any benefits. They don't get any benefits out of it. So right now, yes, we have a rally. We're enjoying it. We're participating in it. We wish you were a member and participating with us. But you better make sure that you're in a position to mitigate any losses when it turns and goes back down. We'll be right back after this break here on Phil's Gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed, because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere, because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. The market's up 370 points, and my members are doing very well. Now, remember, this rally that we're having is not going to last. Then you're going to say, well, why are you winning? Because it doesn't matter. We're always, by using charts, especially my color-coded chart, which we follow the money, the big institutional money, which is the seven largest banks. I think it's 6 largest insurance companies and the hedge funds. When they put money in, you follow them. Now, as long as you have the ability that when they start taking that money out and the market starts go down, that you can start mitigating those losses immediately and make money shorting. It's not hard. It's easy. It's just as easy as it is buying a stock. It's very easy. The biggest problem people got in their mind that the Wall Street over the last 50 years have taken parking space in their head. Do not short stocks. It's dangerous. They took parking space in your head because they don't want you to short stocks. Why? Because they want you to buy stocks. When you short a stock, it means you're selling it. They don't make money when you sell a stock. They don't. So they're going to say anything. I remember when ETFs first came out. I remember Pisani, he did everything to try to destroy the ETFs when they came out. They're no good. They're dangerous. Now here it is 10 years later, 15 years. All of a sudden he doesn't do it anymore. Oh boy, ETFs are great and so forth. By the way, I want to remind everybody, do you remember it was about 2 weeks ago, I said, I need 10 people I want to prove, and I want to help St. Jude at the same time, that if all you did was the spiders instead of the 401k, because 401ks, you're not going to make money because when the market crashes, you never get out in time. You ride it all the way down. And if any of you have been in the dot-com crash, the housing financial crash, you know that is true, that you never get out. You stay in, and they tell you, oh, just stay in, cost average down, and you lose all those gains. With the spiders, you have the 500 best stocks, and you maneuver those stocks. You transition those stocks so easy. See, you always got to be in a position when you decide to invest in a market, whether it's short-term or long-term. Like we have 5 stocks. We've been in for 2 years, very long-term. Wouldn't you say 2 years? Wouldn't that qualify as long-term? We've been in those 5 stocks and the spiders. So let's say 6. So you got 5 stocks and 1 ETF, the spider. 2 years. So it doesn't matter to us. Now, we're up in the spiders 18% so far this year. In the spiders. I'm sorry, last year it was 18%. Excuse me, 18%. Yeah, all 5 stocks, we averaged 18% last year. Now, we're up 8% already this year. But here's the important thing. That's not important. Here's what's important. If you just focused on the spiders, the 500 best companies, and buy when I told you to buy, when I see on my color-coded chart that it's green, that I know the institutions are putting money in, and then we ride it up like we're doing now. If you were one of those 10 people, a couple weeks ago, I said, why don't you just try it? I need 10 members. I said, I want to experiment with 10 people, and if you make money, please give money to St. Jude, but we will just keep in those same 10 stocks. I mean, the spiders. So we had 10 people. They go to my site every day at 2 o'clock to what is called the Working Investor Group. And every day at 2 o'clock, they get their information what to do. To buy the stock, to buy the spiders, to add to the spiders, to take profits in the spiders, or to run like hell, or to short. So as long as you're in a position that it doesn't matter to you if the market's going down or the market's going up. And if you stay with the spiders or the same 5 stocks and follow us, what a beautiful way to do it. And it works. And as I say, I think it was 2 weeks ago, maybe Tom can tell me, but I think it was about 2 weeks ago is when I asked for those 10 people. So they're doing very good. So they're going to learn that if they did everything we instructed them. Now, sometimes what people do when they go to our site and they go to Working Investor and they click on and go through the stocks with our instructions and they don't follow the instructions, well, of course, I can't help that if they go off the reservation. Okay, so again, right now, the market's going up. We're enjoying it, and we're going to be in a position when it crashes, and we're going to enjoy it all the way back down. So that's a nice way to have it. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about the Democrats, okay? And now the Democrats are no different than the Republicans, okay? They both lie, all right? But here's what I got to say about these Democrats right now, what's going on, okay? You ever notice what they always say? You notice these 20 or 10 people that are up that want to become president, right? Here, listen.
I am running to guarantee working and middle-class families an overdue pay increase.
I am somebody that's going to distinguish myself by having a record, taking on tough problems, and getting things done.
Because as a young mom, I will fight for your children.
Our cause is to create a new and different path that reclaims our destiny.
We'll work to make the first 2 years of college accessible and affordable.
I will bring those high expectations to the country.
Unbelievable. The one common narrative they all share, we're going to help the little guy. We, the Democrats, are going to help the little guy. And think about this. That's anyone the Democrats say is being mistreated by whoever they deem to be the villain that week. Remember, it's cows. Cows. The cows were the villains, remember? Because they fart once in a while. It's ICE. It's the Border Patrol. It's a wall. Even airlines, they want to get rid of the airlines. Sometimes it's insurance companies, oil companies, business owners. Whoever the villain of the week is, and they say they're for the little guy. They are not for the little guy. And when we come back, I'm going to give you some more stocks, and I'm going to explain why they're not for the little guy and they're for themselves, just like the Republicans. Don't believe it. They want you to be impoverished.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here. And it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At PhilsGang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with PhilsGang.com. Don't hesitate, learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to PhilsGang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, PhilsGang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the PhilsGang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust PhilsGang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out PhilsGang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. We're talking about the Democrats, how they tell you they're for the little guy. That's anyone that the Democrat says is being mistreated by whoever they deem to be the villain that week. Maybe the Border Patrol or ICE, cows that fart, airplanes, walls. Bunch of phony people. So, we're going to talk a little bit more about this. But I want to tell you, the market's up today, 376 points, because they're saying that they're coming to an agreement on the wall and all this good news. But I want to tell you something. It doesn't matter to us. If you remember, I said on January 16th and January 17th, I said, please, I need 10 people for an experiment. I'm going to prove to you you'll never go back to your 401k. You're going to buy the spiders. We're going to buy them, sell them, add to them, run like hell, whatever I tell you to do, based on my color-coded chart that identifies the big institutional money going in and out, and that's all you need to know. You haven't got to know anything else. You haven't got to know anything about the stock. and I will guide you. At 2 o'clock every afternoon, you go to the site. My team watches it during the day. By 2 o'clock, we post exactly what to do, not only with the spiders, but the other 5 stocks. 5 individual stocks we've been in for 2 years. So since January 16th and 17th, if you joined that experiment, you'd be up about 5 to 8%. Let's just use it on the low side, 5%. Let's even knock it down to 4%. How's that? I'll even understate myself. It'll take you a year to make 4% in a 401k, and you won't even make 4% because of the 22 hidden fees. They kill you with hidden fees. Remember, they take $250 billion right off the top every day skimming. It's the largest skimming operation, but people don't want to know it. They don't want to hear about it. They just don't want to hear the truth. So I am telling you, these folks on the 16th and 17th, I hope I can get some of these people come on the air, okay, when they're finished, testimonials to tell you exactly what they made. So why don't you join the gang, 877-600-GANG, that's 877-600-GANG, and why don't you first start with the spiders for just 1 month. Then you can go into the other 5 stocks if you want. It's $39.95. All I ask is you donate to St. Jude. What a good thing. I'm reaching out to you to help you to do better so that when you invest, you no longer have to worry if the market's going down. Because when the market starts going down, we hold your hand, we mitigate any loss you have by reversing you, by shorting it for you. It's so easy to do. You'll say, why haven't I been doing this for years? So 877-600-GANG, join my gang now. They're waiting for your call. And again, I'm not making this up. Remember, January 16th, 17th, I said I need 10 people. So right now we're up between 5 and 8%, but I'll even cut it back to 4%. You can't make 4% in a 401k, for God's sakes, all year. All right, so I want to get back to the villain of the week. So these Democrats, you got to understand one thing about them. They're not for the little person. When you hear all this stuff, how they want to help them, no. Democrats need poverty to win elections. That's why they want open borders, to build their base of the impoverished. Winning elections hinges on making sure people are impoverished, that they remain that way, that they remain poor. Why do you think they want open borders? Example, let's take Detroit and Chicago. How long have they been in charge of Detroit and Chicago? Even what was this one other, Missouri? Even a place like Missouri. How long have they been in charge? Detroit and Chicago, the Democrats always win. Why? Because they make sure that they keep people poor. And by keeping them very, very poor, the Democrats dominate the elections because people really believe that they're looking out for the poor, the impoverished. So they control the politics. And that's what. And right now, take Chicago and Detroit. What do they lead? They lead a nation in murders, for God's sakes. Now, Obama, he beat Mitt Romney. Why? By making sure that he was. Now, think about this. He made sure that he never grew the economy. Remember, Obama was the only president in history who never grew the economy by 3%. Why did he do that? Because he doesn't want you to become wealthy. Under Obama, he created more bartenders and waiters and waitress jobs in the history. So think what he did. He won the election. He carried 65% of those who make less than $30,000 a year. Romney lost because he carried only 18%. See, the idea of the Democrats is to keep you impoverished so they can win elections. But you won't believe that. It hinges, for them to win elections, it hinges on making sure people remain poor.
I won't have to worry about putting gas in my car. I won't have to worry about paying my mortgage, you know.
And how about the phone?
Everybody in Cleveland, no minority got Obama phone.
So that's what they do. This is who they go after. This is why they want open borders. Think about Bill Clinton, what he did. He put in a work requirement to get welfare Remember, he was so unpopular with his own party because he was taking people off welfare. No, they want them on welfare to win elections because they take parking space in people's minds that they're for them. You heard this garbage?
I am running to guarantee working and middle-class families an overdue pay increase.
I am somebody that's going to distinguish myself by having a record, taking on tough problems, and getting things done.
Because as a young mom, I will fight for your children.
Oh, my God. Don't believe it. So Bill Clinton says no more welfare unless you work. So in 1996, he put in a welfare reform bill called Work Requirement. It was legislation that for you to receive welfare, you had to be working. Clinton wanted to incentivize people to work. Bill Clinton, he was a great president. Now, when Obama became president, what did he and Pelosi, the first thing they did, they went and gutted the work requirement legislation. They took it out. And welfare, by the way, under Bill Clinton, welfare dropped by half. They gutted it and welfare went up. It doubled. Obama abolished and Pelosi abolished the work requirement welfare. They don't want people to be incentivized to work. They need you to be poor so you can believe that they're there to help you. They can help you.
Think of an economy without worrying about keeping their day job.
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work.
Pelosi wanted you to leave your work. She wants you to leave your work. So you be impoverished. So you need to depend on them. This is what these communist, socialists, whatever they call, do. It just makes me angry. So Obama abolishes the work requirement, welfare doubles, and he gets reelected. He gets reelected. Free phones. Remember free phones? I won't have to work. So the welfare population doubled. Pelosi, well, you heard it. She's telling people, go home, don't work. Remember people were working just to have health insurance? They get a job just to have health insurance? No, don't work, go home, learn how to play the piano. We'll give it to you for nothing. Then you got now Cortez, who's not only a horse's arse, but looks like she's got a horse's head, for God's sakes. Can't stand that person. Now she's starting to become a liar. And what's she saying to people? Don't worry. Don't work. I'm going to pay you the same if you don't work. And we're going to get rid of cars, and we're going to get rid of automobiles. We're going to get rid of planes. We're going to get any cow that farts. We're going to shoot him right in the head. They'll probably put a mandate in that they have guys going around with guns, and you listen quiet at night, and all of a sudden a cow farts. Oh, he's over there. Boom! They shoot him. Unbelievable what's going on. And people fall for this. It's incredible. We'll be right back. Join my gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you an easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. you immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. We're a teaching format, and boy, do we give good service. You know, buying a stock doesn't have to be complicated. The reason why Wall Street makes it complicated, so to make you think you need to hire them. You can do better without them, believe me, because you're not going to have those big fees. Come to Phil's Gang, where we'll show you easy way to buy a stock. philsgang.com, where we don't make it complicated, but profitable.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. So again, if you joined that experiment, I asked for 10 people on January 16th and January 17th. Just follow me in the spiders. Remember, I have 5 stocks and then the spider on top of that. We've been in these for 2 years. I said to you, just join me. Why don't you just do the spiders for 1 month and see how you do? Right now, they've been 3 weeks and they're up on an average of 5%. If they did everything I told them to do, 5%, you would not get, I'll knock it down to 4. You wouldn't even get 4% from a 401k. So please, join the gang, try it for 1 month, just 1 month. It's $39.95. And then all I ask you, donate, and that's why we keep the membership so low, so you donate to St. Jude. I'm telling you, it works, and it will put you in an upbeat position that you never have to worry again. You don't have to say, what do I do if the market goes down? You know, we get these big days, 300, 400, 500, 800-point drops. What do I do? You know that I've got you positioned. I got you positioned, so you're mitigating those losses and you're making money just as easy as when it was going up. You don't have to worry anymore. And if you think this is a bunch of nonsense, try it for 30 days and email me and say you're full of crap. I was a member for 30 days, and I bought the spiders with you. I did everything you said, and you're wrong, Phil. You can do that. You can do that if you want. But the idea is to reach out and try to convince you there's an alternative to the 401k that you're getting destroyed. It's the only product in the world that people don't know the value of. They don't know how dangerous it is. They don't know the cost of, and they sign up for it. And they steal $250 billion a day in fees. Okay, I'm running out of time. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang. Try just to spite us for 1 month with me. Okay, I want to finish up this thing with the Democrats. And Republicans are just as bad. But at least the Republicans, they do everything for business. They'll screw you to make sure, like, look at the tax cuts. Look how we got screwed on, workers got screwed on that big tax cut. The companies were supposed to take the big tax cut, the big tax savings, the $1.5 trillion, and they paid less taxes. Then they were going to give everybody wages. Well, guess what? Nobody got wage increases. If they did, let's say they got 3%, what good is that? Your health insurance going up 5 to 10%. And by the way, they will. Why do you think, people don't realize, why do you think Obamacare didn't work? They knew it wasn't going to work. When he lied to us, he knew it wasn't going to work. Because by not having it work, by those premiums being so high, he keeps people poor. The Democrats keep people poor. That's what they do. See, most don't realize that when Obama was the worst president in history, worse than Carter, they said, because he was the only president in history not to grow the economy by 3%. That was by design. Why would he want to create jobs? When you create jobs, you don't control the people. Why do you think they hate working? The liberal Democrats hate the working poor. Because if a person is working, why do you think Pelosi said this? Why do you think Pelosi said this?
Think of an economy without worrying about keeping their day job.
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work.
Can you imagine disincentivizing work in this country? Isn't that amazing? Because they want you poor. So she's trying to tell you, leave work. So people don't realize that was by design, that he only grew the economy by 3%. Didn't he get reelected? Didn't he? The worst president in history got reelected. Why? Because remember, when he ran against Romney, who did he target? He targets those people who are poor. He picked up 65%. His goal, all the Democrats, are to make sure we build this country with people who make less than $30,000 a year. They'll always get reelected. Give them a free phone. Here, listen, I'm not making this up.
Everybody in Cleveland, no minority got Obama phone.
Yeah.
I won't have to worry about putting gas in my car. I won't have to worry about paying my mortgage. You know.
See, as long as they think they're going to get something for nothing, get a lot of free stuff, they will never vote for a Republican. And they've turned this into an art form, the Democrats. Oh, I'll come after the Republicans tomorrow. But they can't. And think about this, for example. Missouri. Only 17% of Missouri's welfare recipients engage in work. Even though the vast majority are physically able to work, but only 17%. And that's when the economy's roaring. And you think the Democrats would solve this? No, they loved it. The Democrats who control Missouri, they didn't do anything to solve that problem because they keep getting reelected as long as the population remains impoverished and remains poor. Why do you think Trump is hated by the Democrats? They want him impeached because he is out there creating jobs. He's out there creating jobs. He's out there with less regulation, talking to entrepreneurs, trying to get them money. He's trying to get small businesses, which is middle class, which in the middle class, remember, is the foundation of our country. And you know, the middle class is our foundation, and remember, the middle class people. If you take the middle class people and you take the small businesses, that's together is the foundation and backbone of our country. Those two are the foundation and backbone. Boy, the Democrats hate him. They tried to pin Russia on him to get rid of him. They want to impeach him because he's destroying what they built. Poverty. Like stock buybacks. The biggest threat to our economy and our financial system has been stock buybacks. It steals money from workers. Because When a company doesn't take its profits and plow it back into the company, you don't get any raises. And when you don't get any raises, think about what they do. Stock buybacks is a big threat to our economy and our financial system, and the Republicans are behind this one. It steals money from you, the worker, and the economy, because stock buybacks eliminate wage increases, which eliminates your spending, which in turn eliminates the 70% contribution to our country's economic growth. And when we're not growing, that means our standard of living is not increasing. So where does all this money go? They make $17 trillion a year in profits, and all this money goes directly to these stock buybacks. The profits from these stock buybacks goes to those whose net worth is between $4 million and $111 million. Think about it. If you have we have our 500 corporations that make $17 trillion. None of those profits ever go back to the workers. It used to. They don't anymore. So that gets split up between those who make $4 million and $111 million. So look, the Republicans are just as bad on the business side. So here's what do? Why don't you just make a decision? Say, all I want is I just like to make some money, and I don't have to worry when the market goes down. I just don't want to lose money. I want to feel secure, that I know it's a steady drip. I'm always making money. I don't care if I make a lot. I just want to make sure it's steady and I don't lose money. That's exactly what my program is. And start out with the spiders. And then you can move into the other 5 stocks if you want, or just do 1 or 2 of the 5 stocks. You know, what's going on right now in this country, okay, with Trump, who's decided to take ownership of the market. He's bound and determined to keep the market going higher. He's going to do another quantitative easing. He's going to print money, and he's going to start buying treasuries back to drop the interest rates from 2.6 back down to 1%. He's going to do anything to drive the market up. My gang will be there to drive it up. I'll be warning you at some point the market's going to crash, but you don't have to worry. You can sleep at night, because I will always make sure I'm out in front, just like on July 16th when I called the market crash, and I said it's going to happen, and December, remember I said December would be the capitulation, and it happened, didn't it? And I'm telling you, so you can, anytime you're invested in your spiders, you never have to worry about the market goes down, because we'll reposition ourselves to make sure that you're benefiting. 877-600-GANG, sleep at night, and help the kids at St. Jude sleep at night, that they know that they're getting covered the $1 million a day they need.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.